different stretching. You just start with that first. Jesus, no! I couldn't tell me this place. One of the whole side jump out. Oh, Jesus.
Done.
Yeah.
Alright, done.
If you want it, you can grab it with your hands. Nothing's out of reach. If you really want something, if you need it, you can grab it with your hands. Nothing's out of reach. If you really want something.
Hey guys, it's your Chrissy and
Gabi here.
so guys, in today's video we're gonna build a gingerbread house.
Yay.
Except for the fact it's not gingerbread.
Yeah.
It's a
It's a
cardboard.
house.
It's a cardboard gingerbread house.
We
Yeah,
have some
guys.
stickers to it.
We have some stickers, but we said we're gonna make it more interesting and add some paint and stuff, and it's
Yeah.
gonna be a competition, okay? We're gonna see who has the best house, and you guys will judge us and say which house you like the best.
You
So,
have any idea how this works?
no, I have no clue. I've never seen nobody. But from what I can see, this maybe looks like the
How come
base.
you have more? So you have more. You have this, no? So part of this. Und dann haben wir was schönes Rotes. Fenster.
Mommy said this is a bottom.
Yes, Moment, ne? Ich muss mich konzentrieren. I have to concentrate.
Mommy, if you do time, if you do a time limit.
Oh my God.
Mommy, if you do a time limit. Timer.
Why?
Yeah, so you'll be more competitive, no? So guys, the timer will be 20 minutes.
Only? Alright, I can't do that. Right guys, I can do it 20 minutes.
Yeah, we want it
And
good,
it's
but
a
for...
house. We're building a gingerbread house. Ay, ay, ay. Also, your turn.
Wait, no man! That's at the time.
Well, you say 20 minutes or
Yeah,
I
but
can
you're
start
starving for me. Wait, that's at the time. They look at you now. She just over there take a time and go. Okay guys, so it's at 20 minutes.
it. Alright, dann kann ich ja loslegen.
Yeah, 19. Mommy, you know we had mommy. Oh, you look at cheat. Don't look for me strategy, you know.
Yeah, I don't know if I use. I don't even know mine.
Doesn't matter if you don't look for mine.
Didn't go in there. This should go in there.
Oh God, guys, yeah, you consider if 20 minutes is enough.
Also, you did say 20 minutes, not so late.
Yeah, anyhow you come out, how you come out.
Ist egal, oder? Oh oh. I thought what is supposed to even stay in here.
Mommy, I know you're in so far.
Ja, ne? Muss wie mein Kind.
Let me put in one, just to put in one here. Wait, then not even a bit. Oh, this was a window. Okay, I see you. Turn over everything, guys. Mommy, who you think I go win?
I don't know.
Mommy, do we even need glue or something?
No, not supposed to.
Yeah, it doesn't look like we should
It's
do
just
this.
sticking kind of style.
We'll see.
I hope. sure.
Oops. I'm just to throw things overboard. Why something that didn't put out the funny? Okay, that one good. But I don't know if that will stick like this. Oh, it look good, it look good, it look good. Yeah, goodie.
Shut up.
Yeah.
And Eva. It's just a show off.
I'm glad to have a house together. Years together the whole time. Guys, in school I used to love creating projects, and so in Jamaica, this is what I live for. I always used to
now
make
you can
sure,
prove yourself.
I always used to make sure I have the best project, no matter what.
So remember, all you have to do is volcano.
Yeah.
Until you couldn't see no more. You're supposed to spit fire and stuff like, don't you?
Yeah.
Oh my god. I have to go through all those school projects 2 times. Me haunted.
We are big team Gabby, yes! Hey, don't run, you know that are cheating, then you will be disqualified. Guys, my house is together before mommy, that should stop before me.
Shut up.
So now we have stickers, but I'm gonna put them on after the paint. Oh, mommy, what is it? Very cool.
Thanks,
Guys, look, has like a velvet feeling. Is it velvet? Or suede feeling, I should say. Oh my god, with snow and the windows. I'm so excited.
Oh, your dream come true.
I am so excited.
I'm so excited. That's a song now.
And I cannot hide it. Okay. Mommy, which 2 colors make brown?
Alles, was über 3 Farben wird, sowieso alles braun.
So that's in English. But we need something to mix.
Yellowish.
We're not even having to mix the carbon them fun.
Ja, nimm halt Schokoladbrot. Schön, Schokolade. What the hell is this?
I think you're gonna get used to color, Mommy, because you're too slow. Use a big old brush, you know, guys. So, what kind of house I want my gingerbread in? I want in a brown, you know, but brown could have stay. Yeah, I think. Tell me what kind of color you want small house.
No. It's a dein Haus. But I wonder how them is supposed to stay in there.
Okay, we just go try create a brown. Can't make mommy catch me.
Okay.
So yellow.
Then have something for the roof.
Yellow and blue make what? Green. Yellow and red maybe? Yeah, yellow and red are gonna make an orangish. And then we're gonna turn the orange into a brown somehow. Somehow, guys. And maybe we leave the orange, it's looking good. We have 2 different stretches. You start with that first. Okay, guys, we have like an orangish looking thing I want for me. So what you add to orange to make a brown? Black? Better be in space.
Yeah.
Nothing would have helped me.
Help you. You help me.
Just put it here. He said it looked like a brownish, you know. Put a dog. Get in there.
So you're 20 minutes soon home, you know.
Oh God, I don't know where I go with this, guys, but okay, look like me get a brown by the grace of God.
Take out the windows, I'm sure just make it stick.
Guys, me have a dark brown, if you can tell. So, we got
Mind your jugunia.
we got add little white.
As you are.
Sorry, we got add little white to make the brown look a bit lighter. You know, we don't want it so dark. Yeah.
Ooh. That'll look pretty anyway.
Think so? So guys, now me have a brown. No, I got try add little yellow for some reason. I feel like me need to add yellow.
I can't believe it's soon after Christmas. I forget it during Christmas period with all this lockdown and thing. What
God, guys, imagine me there paint the house. How much time I have left? Oh God. Okay. Paint the house and then the decoration and the body. I guess mommy kinda smart. Not true, mommy, you're kinda smart.
Finally, you know. Take you so long. So, was haben wir denn hier noch? Muss da oben eine Tür sein? Ist denn da noch eine Tür? Wer ist die Tür? Where one door left? I don't remember door left. I don't have a clue. Where?
Open my door.
Nossa, ja, wir ohne. My door doesn't. I don't know where you go.
Nein.
Im Ernst jetzt? Oh, maybe one extra in case one must have pulled more. So, and how this is. I don't know about where this go. I'm sure out there are some experts now who are laughing after me. Crystal, what the hell is this?
I don't know what happened with the lever over here. I'm still here.
Can you imagine it somehow belong to your house top? Sort of.
I know that. Yeah, we are enemies right now, man.
Finally, you know.
Guys, I'm so stupid.
Socket magnets.
Guys, I need more color. How am I to do this again? Red? A red and yellow me do? Yeah. Red. Yellow. We did make orange. Then we did have the white. Then we did have the black.
So much action. I just get little brown. Why you use so much color for?
Shh. Because the last time you used to look at me, now I make the same mistake again. God, what if an brown come out? You're gonna have a problem.
Good job as well. Something will come out of this. So don't worry.
God.
Don't worry.
This is a field.
Be happy.
Scheiße.
So you look brownish.
Yeah, this is a brownish. Add
Your
yellow.
house look like our one day yard. We should do that challenge. Build Jamaica house. Now we only need our blue barrel.
First never mix color so fast.
Black tank thing them.
I think me have back a similar color before a while ago. Guys, 7 minutes left.
Really? Jesus.
Oh God. It's gonna be the fast paint ever did in my life.
Das ist auch von den Fingern.
20 minutes up already, Jesus.
Oh ja, shit off.
So mommy, I put on paint for years, you know.
I don't know if I want paint. I don't even know what the hell is this.
No mommy, you have to do the paint.
Shut up, at my house this.
One variety.
Shut up. Something over your hell. What is that for? Ah. Hey, yeah.
Guys, I don't know if you can see the progress. You see, if we weren't on the time crunch, I would show you like the in-between stages.
But no.
But I don't think that will be a thing right now.
You're not under pressure. We still have 2 minutes to go. At least I'm gonna be finished.
Shut up! Oh, good. Can we take me done with the painting?
Oh, really? Das dauert auch lange, das ganze Zeug daraus fummeln, ne? Ja, pull apart every little piece hier. Das take long, ne? Da hast du gar keine Zeit mehr zu aus seine Farbe nass, da kann man schlecht draufkleben, ne? Nein, ja nur.
Mommy, we need somewhere to put this. Okay, guys.
Das kommt so durch hier ohne Things. Ich habe jetzt keine Zeit. I don't have no time. Oh, ja.
You need to take out your hose?
I took my way to. Wait.
Guys, me I took out the window them now. Should have done this earlier.
Hätte ich dir das sagen können.
Come on.
No way second door is supposed to go. I don't see no second door part. You find a second door? No. Yeah, doesn't matter, does it matter? Oh, this is so. Alright, you go here. I have some left.
My house a fall apart. Ah! Mama, please.
Just take time with it, man.
No.
Tender loving
Shut
care, no?
Jesus, no!
Is that just easy? Uh-oh.
Shit.
Uh-oh. La 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 la. Ich bin dann bald soweit.
Okay.
Das easy für mal schauen, ne? Goodness. What the hell? Oh. in there. Be so careful. This is not good here. Really hard to come out here. Or maybe me too stush. Some of them things so much. Yes. Right. Look over. Where did you get this from? My Antonia. It shouldn't belong up there. And bei mir hat es halt verdammt nur, ne? Bei dir schneidet es von oben. Get this one from your top and I get it from your bottom. You have a problem with that? No. Oh, what the hell is this? A socks? Like a socks. Mash up my little whatever ice bear, what that is. To destroy my life. We kill him. We kill my ice bear. We can get your ice bear. Ha? Deshalb fragst du mich noch, Mann. Angst für die Gespräche.
Time up!
Yeah, you finish?
Can we get 10 more minutes, mommy, please? Hmm? Yeah? Yes?
You're asking me?
Mm-hmm. I could do 10 more minutes, please.
But that's not really count.
No, please. We don't look like no. Okay, let's have 10 more minutes, guys.
We couldn't make it.
Now we have to make it do no more
Excuses.
Yeah. So guys, this is my mommy's house. This is the front.
Wait at a bush.
No, me have you over the sun.
Oh, okay.
So this is the front of her house.
Yeah, I'm sure things some parts maybe not at the right spot.
This is the side. Turn around the back to me. Then that's her back. Turn again. Oh, with blooming. Oh,
Blumen?
flowers. And these two. I like the Santa Claus. You know, guys, we had different stickers.
Yeah, no?
So, guys, let me show you my ugly house where nobody
It's
would
not
want to live.
ugly.
Oh, so, guys,
But it look nice from this side. And I like that one here. It look nice.
Turn
When
around.
you get Merry Christmas, I don't have Merry Christmas. You have so much more nicer stickers. And next Merry Christmas, you can buy
So
me
guys,
that.
this is my
No, a
front.
Merry Christmas tour.
This is my front.
Wait.
This is
I get
my
Merry
side with the
Christmas.
paint.
God, I mean, want a Merry Christmas.
This is my other side with the paint. This is my ugly side without the
Don't have an
paint.
ugly side. They look nice. Know yourself, child.
Yeah. So guys, I think we should try and perfect it and then come back again.
No, we finish. Merry Christmas! So guys, now we gotta finish the house.
Even though we don't spoil it up, we did a rush. Maybe we do one without the rush. Mommy, I want to come back without the rush.
No. You know I don't like to do things 2 times, with a few exceptions.
You had 2 kids.
Yeah, just like I said, with a few exceptions. What's the matter, Hannah?
That's why I did want to paint it first, you know, because I didn't know so this would have happened, you know. But for me to get desperate, you know. Guys, you know, when I live in my house, I stay before, not true.
Maybe it's a roof over your head better than nothing.
Yeah, guys, you hear that? Better than nothing.
Some people would are glad for have a roof over their head right now. Sure not. Not sure.
I'll if it ugly like mine.
Weird greenish one, so some yellow maybe. Yeah. But still, don't have a great way from before, not after, I guess. Oder? Weil sonst ist ja
Mommy, my house now have no comeback, don't worry. We just are trying to make myself look so bad. We don't know say you win, mommy, you win.
we did actually plan for painting before too, but somehow not about winning, like also. But I think we would have run out that time. That's how come we start first stick on it something.
I'm not very smart, but look how me do
It's not
something.
really smart. We just try a thing.
Yeah.
Hello, what is me queen?
I'm a bad girl in this.
Notice. Oh my, jetzt nicht mehr. Da. Kann man dann noch anfarben. Not even go paint the inside because we just go smudge over everything. Accurate. Richtig?
Yeah.
We just let it like that.
You're done. My need only for saving. You have time for saving, there's more.
Nice. So here do all can open.
Push it in. Everybody push
Don't
it in.
take out the piece of cardboard. You can push it not no more.
You take it out.
Yeah. Ich habe auch die Fenster rausgemacht. Mein
Ja, ich mach
Gott!
das auf.
Kann man nicht. Ich habe die Cardboard rausgemacht.
Das ist doch gut.
Oder? Weiß es nicht mehr.
Push it in. Did I go in a while ago? We have to put in the candle and light it up. Das ist sensitive, my stickers, my teeth here. And you paint up here selfishly, huh? So stickers too, friend.
Ja, weil ich mit den nur mal nasty up your, what you call that tablecloth. Your lucky. And we take Rücksicht, no? And now you complain. But the pins are them really good. I like it brushes them. Them are work good. So we can do some serious painting. Like next time, sometime we do pouring. First time ever I do pouring. I see your picture. Then eventually you put the pouring all over you. Now I can make Christmas tree look sweet. Me do another do. I don't know how we are getting my light. I guess my house not gonna have a light. So we are
Mommy,
just
open
now.
up your door. Work by open up your door.
Why? I go more.
Because we have put in the light. That's the grand finale. How we are going to show you how to let in.
My grand finale can come. Musik jetzt. why. It can't be got any damn door. Oh, sorry, forget that laptop. I didn't say that. Mister, you can't go in there. You do it too small. Hello. I'm sure you're supposed to go for me, but I'm forced.
Then lift up it back.
No, me don't. Ooh. Hello. Slide in the house. We have some big fingers, man. We need some baby finger now. Oh.
Guys, I got inspired from our last trip to Snowy Mountain. That's how I come up with this vision.
We can't close back the door. I'll say you. Can't close back the door. Take it cool. We need to delight. Are you stopping now, man? What the hell you doing? You don't know the whole color for that.
You already winch. You already win. Come on. I just want to look. Can't let my house look like that.
You look alright.
You cannot put my name on something like that.
So like it's my house, but at least you do that one right there. So come here,
Mommy is still good. That's the problem.
What kind of? Me just left it open then, guys. Yeah, I left my door open. Merry Christmas. Oh, Merry Christmas. Oh, hello.
So nice.
I put everything wrong. You see all these stickers, and I know what the hell that's supposed to go. Probably here, I don't know.
Oh, probably that will be going on at all. And I did just know. But I like it. I never had
How you
that.
put yours there? That look like very belong.
I'm putting on it right here.
And your roof, you look nice, and the color and so on. I like your little pitchy patchy there. Oh, you look pretty. I like you look up and this really look very creative. This like tile kind of.
I'm not tired, I snow on the ground.
Nobody look nice.
Yeah, right, and I just like
Are you getting there? No, they can't.
oh, I'm going to do my light. You better turn on all.
No, let me go fit through your whole thing. Your door look bigger. But I still wonder how come you have two doors. See one next door here? I mean, I don't know what the hell there's one next door.
Maybe I could have put it back if you didn't want.
Yeah, you're right. I guess I was stupid. You need a door? I have one left.
No, I have so much things. Mama,
Door to your chakra.
you always have to put something for me.
Yeah.
In every video.
True. Last time you did
No, me no win.
Why?
She have two windows by each side, guys.
It was a coincidence. And you put that thing on my side.
So guys, the grand reveal. Look at it. My ugly house.
My ugly house.
And mommy pretty house from the side. Mommy Bakar house. My Christmas trees in the back with the presents saying Merry Christmas of mommy house. The front of my house. Guys, you notice how I tried to do like a floor, a ground with green and brown and white snow on top. Tell me if it looks so
I like how it look. It's very creative.
At least that make him look proud of. It didn't look the same. So guys, that's it for today's video.
Yeah.
Thank you all for clicking on the video, for watching the video, and a special thanks for all of you who watched the video completely to the end. You're a real one.
Yeah, for your patience. No? I hope we didn't bore you that much by watching us putting this here together, our Meisterwerk.
Guys, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Was it okay? Give it a thumbs up.
Ja, Mann.
Did you love it? Give it a thumbs up and comment down below. And if you really loved it, guys, thumbs up and at least 2 comments. What do you think?
Yes, and don't forget to share.
Yes, guys, that's it.
Bye-bye.
See you next time. Peace.
Yeah, your heart is a sun, and it shines as it opens.
Where your heart is the sun, and it shines as it opens.
Yeah, your heart is a sun, and it shines as it opens.